Good morning, children. Today we are continuing with the same chapter, Shapes and Design, and our today's topic is weaving and tiling patterns. First of all, let us first understand what is the meaning of pattern. A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. Math patterns are sequences that repeat based on a rule, and a rule is a set way to calculate or solve a problem. We have already done the pattern in our previous classes. Let us first continue with the weaving pattern. Let us first understand the meaning of weaving pattern. Weaving is a method of textile production in which two distinct sets of wands or threads are interlaced at right angles to form a fabric or cloth. There are many different weave patterns out there, all of which create different fabrics. Now let us first observe some of the designs of weaving patterns. Look at the picture. This is the most common weaving pattern in which two yarns or threads are interlaced at right angles to form a fabric or cloth. Now let us first observe some of the weaving patterns in your mother's sari. Now, if you observe the image of sari carefully, you will see that there are so many patterns in a single sari. If you observe from the left hand side, you will see that sleeping lines are there. After that, there are zigzag patterns and again sleeping line pattern, and at the last there was curved pattern in this sari. Now children, observe this picture very carefully. From this picture you can see the different patterns found on an Indian sarees. You can see these beautiful patterns on the sarees such as flowers, leaves, peacocks and different colorful shapes and many more. After observing the weaving pattern on Indian sarees, now come to weaving patterns on rugs or daris. You look at this picture, you will observe a geometrical shape pattern on this dari. Look at this picture of dari. Can you able to identify the shapes which are used to make pattern on this dari? Yes, there the pattern on this dari is made with the help of hexagon and rectangle. Now come to weaving patterns on curtains. Look at the picture. The pattern on this curtain is with the help of hexagon. Look at this picture. The pattern on this curtain is made with the help of curved line or design with a curve. Now come to pattern on your school uniform. You must have seen your school uniform. If you observed it carefully, you will observe that there is a pattern on the shirt of your uniform with the help of different colors. Now come to floor or tiling pattern. You must have observed your floor at home. Different homes have different tiling patterns at the floor. Look at this floor pattern carefully. This pattern is made with the help of hexagonal tiles. Look at this floor pattern carefully. This pattern is made by putting the tiles in horizontal and vertical direction. In this picture, we have to find the tile used to make the design of floor. We have 4 floor patterns and 4 tile patterns. Now observe the picture carefully and try to match the tiles with the floor design and check with the help of picture shown. Now try to identify the pattern at your home, in your bed sheets, in your curtains, pillow covers, dress, dress of your family member, and so on from your home and surroundings. Hope all of you understand the concept of weaving pattern and tiling pattern. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.